Let's learn English. Myclass, your class.
The words of the day: pull and push. How do we use pull and push? Do you know? Come with me. Pull or push. Pull or push. A push means to move something away from you. Look, the girl is pushing the shopping cart. You can help your friend on the swing. You need a strong push. But when Mom pushes the stroller, she needs to push it gently. A pull means to move something toward you. Look! The dog is pulling the rope. You can pull a bow back. Sometimes you need a strong pull. But when Mom and Dad walk the dog, they need to pull gently if he goes in a different way. A recap. Push means to move something away from you. Pull means to move something toward you. What do you use more during your daily routine? Pull or push? Did you like this video? So, what about subscribing for more? See you! Bye-bye!